Hi you guys, so today is our November Planner Perfect journal flip through. Now this is just what I get up to in my art journal. Every month I work on one of these and I thought I would share it with you what I got up to in the month of November. This is just a little funky junky journal charm. I made it, I put all kinds of stuff on it. I just put it all on a bullnose clip so that I could clip it on the top of my journal. It has bells and all kinds of jingle jangles for the month of November. I love it. I love how it turned out. I'll put that to the side. Let's go ahead and get started. This is just a little note that came in some Happy Mail. I love how he turned out with that little house on him. And I like this guy too. I really like this guy too. And her purple hair. And then this is just a top tuck, so you can tuck something in the top of the page, and I just have a little tag that I made, and then I tuck it right in this little top tuck pocket, which has some Tim Holtz people hanging off of it. I thought that was fun. I like her pink hair. And then I did this swap. It was a Christmas ephemera envelope swap with Rebecca Hoot's channel. I have this video that I made with what I sent to my partner, and I'll link that up above. And inside here is my swap partner's information, like her mailing address and everything. And then this is just like a little belly band, but it's on the side. And it has like a little guy on the back. And then this is one of my favorite kind of teas that I drink. I just cut it off the side of the box. And then this is my kitty that recently passed away. That was the last picture that I took of him. And then this was a card from the vet. I thought that was nice that they sent a card. And then this was what I mailed my swap partner. I like how this tea shop turned out. I like this page. And I like her too, but I like this page. I really think it looks cute. And then I worked on a boot topper video on my other channel, World Peas Knits. I'll link that up above. I posted that like last week. And this is just a picture of me working on the boot topper. It's a knit tutorial. Okay, and that's everything. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.